This is the final video to fix the could not call proc error when installing programs. Are you also facing this problem where you try to install a program, but Windows shows this error and stops the installation? It can be really annoying, especially if you need the software right away. Let me explain why this happens. This error usually occurs when Windows cannot execute a required procedure in the installer. It can be caused by missing system files, corrupted registry entries, or interference from antivirus software. You may have already seen many tutorials on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. When I faced this issue, I discovered a simple and secret trick that fixed it immediately. Here's a normal solution you can try right now. First, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Then run the program installer as an administrator by right-clicking it and choosing Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't work, you can use the system file checker by opening command prompt as admin and typing sfc/scan now to repair missing or corrupted system files. For most users, this method solves the problem quickly. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every method to fix the could not call proc error safely. Comment down below if you want me to make that full video.